Alright, so our SharkWerks Sport Exhaust is on the UPS truck, but he's not here when he's supposed to be. So our handy dandy app tells us where he's at, and he's past our place. So we're gonna go down to Josephine, my Pirates Cove, and ask for our package so that we don't have to keep waiting. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is how you go get your UPS package. Alright, so now we are staking out our position, waiting for our UPS truck to come on that road. Alright, here we go. Got the SharkWerks package. It's time to get home. Install.
Alright, so we have taken off the straps around the muffler with an Allen wrench. We took off the flange brackets here on the top and bottom of the pipes coming in. We've loosened the V-band clamps coming off the cats into the side mufflers on both sides, and now we're loosening the two 13mm bolts from these brackets right here. And once those are loose, we should be able to push these side mufflers out enough to drop the center muffler.
You ready to push that?
Almost. It'll be just like,
I just went through that same question a few months ago, guys.
just like birthing it. It is. It's just like birthing.
Yeah.
Stand there and be ready to catch.
Yep.
You're gonna push on that. Push it out. My side is out. Now my side's back in.
A little bit more.
Oh, catch it. It's just like the GT exhaust. It's just sort of catching it.
Right on this side.
Sounds so good.
Woohoo! Good baby.
We got the baby.